Ready to see some more healthy meal prep in action? Welcome back to video 4 of a 6-part series on fast and efficient meal prep. So far you've learned about the skills of batching, layering. Yesterday's video you saw Michael, my 7-year-old, help me with school lunches for 4 days, and today you get to see Gabriel, my 9-year-old, help me make 5 days worth of dinners for our family. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and share this video with another mom that you know this would serve, and let's get started with making those 5 dinners. Here we go. All right, let's get started showing you how simple it can be to make 5 days worth of dinner plates with the help of a silly 9-year-old who likes to have cookies for eyeballs. So this is Gabriel. He's going to show you how simple it can be. Everything that you're going to see in these pictures, he took out of the fridge himself. He set out the plates himself and he organized them on the counter like that. And because he's making dinner for he and his brother, you can tell there's 10 plates, of course. So he's starting here with a hidden veggie pizza. This is a very nutritious version of pizza. You want to always be thoughtful of nutrients for your family. And so when you go to add, see these carrots here, that's an example of a whole food, right? Like a vegetable. But also if you can do hidden veggie versions of pizza or muffins or cookies, then you've got lots of nutrients and fiber and healthy gut happening for everybody in the family. Then see the oranges he added to the plate. We always want to include a small portion of fruit. And you'll notice that there's 1 orange for every 2 plates. That's intentional. Fruit is nature's candy. You got to be careful about not overdoing it on the sugar. Just because it's fruit, there's still grams of sugar in there. And then as you can see here, he's so proud of himself. He went on to add some hidden veggie cookies, which, are still delicious. They taste like cookies, but gosh, they've got sweet potato in them, chia seeds, protein powder. And that way it's all nutritious, even though it tastes amazing, totally kid friendly. So then what you can see here is that he covered the plates and he stacked them and he's putting them in the fridge. Got to have a little bit of fun, right, with those oranges for eyeballs. But this is such a simple way that he can help make the healthy, nutritious choices for our family. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.